In name of the compassionate and merciful God. My name is Amin Khawari in Al Mola Al-Bawi, born on February 11, 1995. I've always lived to build, to connect, and to give meaning. When I applied for my patent, something awakened in me. Technology shouldn't just answer, it should listen. This microwave isn't just for heating food. It understands you, it speaks your language, and adapts to your needs. You name the ingredients, it suggests, it guides, it explains. It's not a device, it's your culinary companion. If you build, you'll resent, you'll resonate with these. If you dream, this is your canvas. If you care, this is your stage. The path is open. The mission is clear. The origin is from the heart. However, joins this journey won't just build a product. They'll shape lives. Thank you for letting me share this vision. I'm here to begin. Boldly, honestly, and with a heart ready to serve. Let's build something the world will proudly remember. Thank you.